In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Wondershare Filmora on your Windows PC. Open your browser and go to the official Wondershare Filmora website. Click on the Get Started for free and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now double-click the installer and accept the terms to proceed. Open Filmora after installation. You can start with the free version and upgrade later if you want additional features. That's how you download and install Wondershare Filmora on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to Tech Install for more software installation guides.